Pursue your purpose and not just a paycheck. We just have one life to live. I hope that we will live our lives hindi lang lagi nagtatrabaho, but doing things that's aligned to how we are designed, how we are created. Gets ko naman, may mga times talaga na gagawin natin ang mga bagay or trabaho or business na hindi natin quote-unquote purpose. Pero practicality-wise, kailangan natin bumuhay ng pamilya, we need to pay for the bills or to help the family or whatever we need in terms of finances. Pero I hope that yung buong buhay natin, hindi lang puro trabaho para makakuha ng malaking sweldo, but also, we should also do things that would lead to our purpose. Yung bonus doon, kung yung purpose mo, it would align also sa bigger paycheck, why not? But yung pinaka-point ko lang talaga, at the end of the day, sana hindi lang puro paycheck,